We're studying Python and we're starting Turtle Graphics 3. In today's class, the objective is to create turtle objects, change the turtle color and the pen size of the drawing, and also to write letters in turtle graphics. Right? How do we write letters? Now we made some shapes like square, hexagon, and all of that. But how do I write some letters? That's what we're going to do today. Now, how do we decide all of this? Well, we'll first start. We'll start with creating a turtle object. Aditya, can you hear me? Aditya? Now, whenever we are using turtle, the first thing is always to write import turtle. That's done. Next thing we're going to do is Aditya, I can't hear you. All right, mic on, camera on. Now import turtle. Then what is the next thing we do? We're going to create a turtle, which let's call the turtle Alex. Alex is equals to.
Sir, so I wonder who is Alex. Pretty interesting. I would like it.
Alex is interesting.
Like the
Alex,
Minecraft player, Alex?
Not the Minecraft player, the person in our team. Now, next thing is, well, we have this done. All right. Now, I've already told you what, let's see what angles are first. Okay. How do we turn degrees?
I know what angles are. It's just basically looking at a different direction. So if you look like at 90 degrees, if you look at 45 degrees, direction. I know what they are. So you don't have to.
So for example, let's see if it always starts from here. Okay. And then we have two options. I can go at 45 degrees like this. So this will be my north, south, west, and east. We start from east and we go either up or down. If I go up, that's turning left. How many degrees I want? Let's say 45, 90, 180, 360. All of those are options. Now we'll be using this in our program. First thing first, we import turtle. That's step one. Import turtle module. Let's just say turtle library. Next thing is we create a turtle. Step 2. Create a turtle object. Now, Aditya, read from here quick. Step 1 and step 2 out loud.
All right. Import the turtle library. Import turtle. And then the best brackets there are. No brackets. The best brackets, of course, the OG.
OG.
We like it OG.
Then,
we like it
so
OG.
we import turtle library and we create a turtle object. Fine. Next thing is we have to write something. We'll do one more thing. We will create ourselves a turtle space.
Sir, can you see my face?
Yes.
Is it a fox?
No. Why did you remove the photo?
You sure? I think the
Why did you remove the
filter? I don't.
The next thing is we have done the step 1.
I don't know.
Now our job is to next job is to write letters. How do we write letters? Well, whenever we're writing letters, our job is, just a second. Let's start with an easy option. Let's take all of this from here and we'll go down with ourselves.
Sir, my camera is off, right?
Your camera is off, yes.
Because you off my camera and I'm pretty sure you did not allow me to turn on my camera right now. Like, yeah, you cannot see me.
Starting, okay. Turtle program. So that's done. This is the two steps we always
And
need to do.
I know that the filter was on my camera is good. I'll possibly do this. Bye-bye.
Now, next thing is writing letters in turtle. All right, writing letters in turtle. How does that work? Well, we'll start with what letter do we want to write? Do we want to write T, L, or what? Let's start by writing L, which seems easy, right? Aditya, do you know how to write L? I think you do. That's the most basic people know that. So what we're going to do is we're going to write L on a graph. So we'll start with, now instead of doing turtle dot forward or any of that, what we're going to do is Alex dot forward. Now we're using Alex as the name, right? Alex dot forward. And how much forward should it go? Well, I don't want it to go forward. I want it to go down.
Sir, give me a second. Sir, like I said, could you give me a second?
Now, Aditya, the first thing is our turtle will look something like this.
Yes.
My turtle.
If I go to the lab over a minute. Really?
Say that again.
I'll come very fast. Can I go
Say
to
that
the
again?
bathroom for a second?
Right,
Can I go to the
no
bathroom
worries.
for a second?
Yes, go on.
I'll come real quick, okay? Give me a second. Excuse me.
We're continuing with turtle graphics. We created an object in turtle.
Sir, I actually, you know why I asked you, excuse me, multiple times?
Why?
Because there was this bug before, where Zoom, if you
look, Aditya, now Aditya, we have to start to continue quickly. We can finish this. So because this will be in the exam, otherwise I don't think you're scoring more in the test. I will stop teaching programming.
To play.
Now the first thing that's happening over here is that we have our turtle.
No.
This is the turtle we have right here. That turtle moves, obviously. Now, but the thing is, the problem is, the turtle starts like this first, always starts facing east.
Yes. Yes, okay? I don't know.
Now, our job is to, now we're trying to write the letter L. This is what we're trying to write. First thing first, I have to rotate this guy. I'll rotate this 90 degrees to the right. So we'll say 90 degree right. So then we'll write the same thing here. Alex dot right 90 degrees. Now Alex is the name of our turtle. We gave our turtle a name. Okay. Next thing is, okay, the Alex is standing right here now. It has tail. Now what do I do after this? Well, how do I write the L? Well, I'll have to make it go forward now by some amount. And let's say it should go. Aditya, tell me, how forward should it go? Because we're trying to write L.
Forward by, let's see, L. We're trying to write N or L, like a big fat L.
L with a big fat L. The loser is L.
L. Okay, so L. So we'll go about 250.
Let's go by 100. Let's try 100 first. And now the next thing is, what do I do after this? Well, my turtle is now here. Okay, we can make it 250 if you want, no worries. All right, now what do I do after this? Well, let's just keep it as 100.
Left.
Now the last thing is
then we'll
the
have
turtle.
one.
The turtle goes like this.
After that 100 and the turtle reaches there, we have to do turn this and turn. We have to write turn dot left 90 degrees.
All right, so Alex will go left 90 degrees. Fine. Alex goes left by 90 degrees. All right. I think that looks pretty promising. Let's put it right here. So Alex dot forward 100, then we'll write.
And
Alex
then we'll do that by
unforward 50.
Then we'll do turtle dot forward. And then turtle dot forward, not 100. No. Turtle, change that turtle dot forward 50.
50. Perfect. Now Aditya, I'm sending you the code. Run it on your computer and show it to me.
Sir, that's not Alex. Then Alex dot forward 50. Alex dot forward 50.
Yeah, Alex dot forward 50.
All right. I really told you, sir. Expect tomorrow surprise. You know, this week Wednesday is going to be the best day of my life. When I get to. Hello, I'm back.
All right, Aditya.
Yes, give me that SASI code right now.
The code is in the chat.
I like the code. I like the code. Why are you always leaving space? Like, don't make no sense. Don't make no sense.
Don't make no
All right,
sense.
copy this code. It will probably mess up. Open up the fantasy ideally. Pretty fat.
The OG. The OG ideally, huh?
Yes, the OG ideally. That is older than me. That's actually true. It's older than me.
Yes.
Sir, I think ideally is actually older than you yourself.
Yeah, that's also true.
Sir, allow me to screen share. You.
All right, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Now you can try again.
You don't want me mad. You know, I literally got almost
quick,
I got
run it.
myself in a lot of trouble. I got myself in a lot of trouble in grade 1 when I got angry. They don't want to mess with me.
So run the code, the class will end and you'll learn not much.
Yeah, that's nice for me. Very nice for me. What the heck is this? Oh.
Do one thing, remove the space dot screen.
Space dot screen. This is space, a turtle space equals screen to me.
Yeah, turtle space, remove that. We don't want that. For now, we'll do that later. For now, just keep Alex dot turtle, then Alex dot right. The simple stuff.
The whole thing's messed up. All right, send me that correct setting. Why is your turtle space dot screen? Delete that. So, okay, I got the kanjis. I got the cut.
Okay.
I don't. Okay, yes. Ideally has some problems.
Ideally has some problems. So let's do one thing. Let's make it even simpler. We'll take turtle. We'll remove Alex. We'll just say turtle dot right. We'll say turtle dot forward. Turtle dot left. Turtle dot
forward. No, I'm not going to do any of that. I'm not going to do it. CW 5 5. Okay. I need to get used to it.
Finished? Does it run for you?
All right, yes. Can you hear me now? Can you see
Yes,
my
I can hear you.
Can you see my screen?
Not
What
really,
is
just a
this?
second.
What is this? It's saying okay, something's going on. Okay, I'll have to post
import turtle.
I'll have to delete the code and just you send me something in chat, I'm pretty sure. You are making me write import again, you monster.
Import turtle. Then we'll write turtle.
Making me write more. You monster, making me type more. Monsters. Ah! Stop it. Yes, what's wrong with you? You. Finally, import turtle. Yes, sir, we got it. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can. Run it.
All right. Yeah, Zoom also glitched out for me because. Yeah, I made a pretty fast.
Oh.
Why is it an arrow?
The arrow. Because look, we didn't write turtle dot shape. You can write that as well. Turtle dot shape is equals to turtle.
Sir, can we change that turtle into something else today?
Well, I can't teach you that right now. Later we can. Yes, we can. But not right now.
Okay, so classes, I'm pretty sure is about to end, so sir, this is what I meant by.
No.
So this is what I mean by. You can see my screen, right? My settings screen.
Now I cannot. Look at my screen quick. We've written turtle, L in turtle. But how do I write? Let's say.
Electrical geek.
Okay. Now our job, Aditya, is to write another letter. Let's write something like. Let's say.
Ooh, you white. The screen is very white for me. Oh my god.
Our job is to write T now. So how do we start? Well, let's start over here. That's my turtle. The green turtle. The big fat turtle, right?
Yeah, I like the kaji.
Now, first thing first, we'll have to turn. Turn how much is there?
I don't know. Turn by a lot.
A lot. So we're going to turn, let's say, left by 90 degrees.
Left, 90 degrees. And then
it will go
forward
up.
50 steps.
So let's say this is 50, okay. And where should I go?
Because
right
if I made that 100, it would not be right. It would be wrong. Sir, I feel
my
like
turtle is now here.
Sir, actually change that last turtle dot forward from 50 to 65.
We can do that. We can do that later. First, tell me, where will the turtle go from here? Where will the turtle go from here?
The turtle will go forward. Yes, turtle
will go into space then.
Yeah, it will go to space and never see again. It will be called honorary turtle.
So what we can do is, let's turn this.
90 degrees. 90 degrees right.
Let's go left again. We can go right as well. But let's go left here. And then we'll go back.
That will create a big L.
All right, that's an upside down L. But I want to make a T. So I'll go in that direction again. Okay. Here. That should make me the T. Now, how much do I have to turn from here? My turtle is now over here. So how much do I have to turn? From here, it has to turn at least by let's say 180 degrees. Right.
You mean 180 degrees or 100?
180 degrees. Now let's write the code then. I think it's not going to be very difficult. So first tell me, we start with turtle.
Sir, I need to cut off this hair. My hair is one of the fastest growing hair I've ever seen.
I see.
I don't know why. It's just, I have to at least get 3 cuts a month, if possible.
Wow.
Because my hair grows that fast, and I barely get 1 cut a month. So it's very hard managing this fluff of hair. Like when I put my freaking whole hand, half of my hand, you can't even see it.
Now Aditya, let's try writing T in the RDNA.
So I comb my hair. Oh, what the heck is this? You won't even let me use turtle. You didn't even let me use turtle. You didn't even write turtle.in. So yeah, also send me this new code you write with import turtle. Send me this. I like this.
You have to write it yourself.
That's very rude. You're very rude.
Turtle. So this is 30, and then we go in that direction.
65, not 60. Okay, fine. Well, I'll change that myself. Third. So shop. I like the shop. Shape. Sup. I like it. Sup. Shape. Shape. Shape is a turtle. It should be like a turtle. A turtle. And I just import that code. Oh, yes, a genius, you know. Quite a genius. Why am I selecting the wrong places? Okay. Ah!
Let's say use the arrow keys.
Bah. What's the arrow keys?
Press enter.
Wow, that is where this thing was. You just start making. Let me do this, all right? This is something I think programmer has to handle. I know. It's very pleasant. It's not very pleasant. No. Finally! For God's sake.
Right, finally. That is not really how the T should look like, does it? Let's go back to the code. Show me the
that
code.
Means you are wrong. You're so wrong. That means
show me the code again.
Yeah, you are.
What did you write?
Wrong. The same thing.
What did you write?
I didn't even change a thing.
All right, it's not going to be turtle.write 90. The last one has to be 180. That's what we decided, right? 180.
Yeah, but you didn't change it, so not my fault.
That was a trick question. You have to pay attention in class. Let's run it.
Nah, you got to pay attention in class because you are the teacher. You have to teach me the right things. Nobody can answer me.
Oh, that's a T. Guess what?
I like the T. Sir, I want to write something.
Now I'll give you homework.
Oh.
Now, I think it's not going to be very difficult for you. All you have to do is, you have to write. You have to write.
Spoken hair. So look, you think my hair is like all mushy, but look, it's really nothing.
I can see the atoms in your hair.
Yeah, no way, you can't. Even a microscope can say this is then you can see nice.
Write E in turtle graphics. That's the homework. So make a program. Write E in turtle graphics.
I got no teeth. So as you can
Got no
see,
teeth.
hair. I had very talk. I got no teeth. I have got hair.
Aditya is now turning old.
Come on,
Now that is what an E is. If you don't remember, Aditya, if you've forgotten, if you're losing memory, I'll tell you this is what an E looks like.
And you know how perfectly memory works, but I don't know how an E works.
Now that is E, and let's finish the homework.
Two phone companies have the best phone service. Like
Say that again.
Which company has the two phone companies have the best? Let's just say customer service.
Best phone company that has customer service.
Yes, there are two questions.
Then.
Guess which they are. Guess which one they are.
Just a second. This is the homework. We'll continue in the next class. We'll be studying about how to change the name of turtle.
Yes, sir. Guess which one? Which of these two companies are them? Like there are two companies with the best customer service in phone category. Change
colors.